The night was alive with the hum of engines and the promise of something extraordinary. The city's pulse throbbed with a low, resonant energy, a symphony of mechanical hearts beating in unison. Streetlights cast long, amber shadows, painting the asphalt with streaks of gold. For one car enthusiast, tonight was more than just another drive. It was the start of a quest, a pilgrimage into the heart of automotive passion. He had waited for this moment, meticulously planning every detail, every route, every possible scenario. The air crackled with anticipation, a tangible force that made the hairs on his arms stand on end. He knew deep down that this night would be different, that it would etch itself into the annals of his memory, a testament to the enduring allure of the open road and the machines that conquer it. This wasn't just about horsepower or top speed, it was about the feeling, the connection, the visceral thrill of man and machine becoming one. It was about the stories whispered by the wind as you pushed the limits, the tales etched in the rubber left behind on the asphalt. Under the city lights, the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 emerged from the shadows, sleek, powerful, and ready to make its mark. Its lines were a study in aerodynamic perfection, sculpted by the wind itself. The paint gleamed under the neon glow, a deep lustrous sheen that hinted at the beast within. This wasn't just a car, it was a statement, a declaration of intent. It was the culmination of decades of engineering prowess, a testament to the relentless pursuit of automotive excellence. The ZR1 stood poised, a predator ready to pounce, its low stance and aggressive front fascia hinting at the raw power that lay beneath the hood. The air seemed to vibrate around it, charged with the promise of speed and exhilaration. It was a machine that commanded respect, a legend reborn for a new generation. Every curve, every angle, every detail was meticulously crafted to deliver an unparalleled driving experience. Its twin-turbo V8 roared to life, echoing through the streets, a symphony of speed and ambition. The sound was primal, a guttural growl that resonated deep within the chest. It was the sound of controlled fury, of immense power waiting to be unleashed. The engine revved, a crescendo of mechanical precision, each piston firing in perfect harmony. The exhaust note was intoxicating, a blend of raw aggression and refined sophistication. It was a sound that turned heads, that stopped conversations, that announced the ZR1's arrival with undeniable authority. The vibrations coursed through the chassis, a tangible reminder of the immense forces at play. This wasn't just an engine, it was the heart and soul of the ZR1, the source of its legendary performance. It was a masterpiece of engineering, a testament to the power of human ingenuity. The enthusiast gripped the wheel, heart pounding, as the ZR1 carved through the city, each turn a promise of adrenaline. The steering was precise and responsive, transmitting every nuance of the road directly to his fingertips. The acceleration was breathtaking, pinning him back in his seat as the ZR1 devoured the asphalt. The city lights blurred into streaks of color, a kaleidoscope of motion that heightened the sense of speed and exhilaration. He felt a connection to the car, a symbiotic relationship that transcended the mechanical. It was as if the ZR1 was an extension of his own will, responding to his every command with unwavering precision. The adrenaline coursed through his veins, sharpening his senses and amplifying his focus. This wasn't just driving, it was an experience, a visceral immersion into the world of high-performance automotive engineering. But just as the journey began, a new contender appeared, the 2026 Corvette ZR1X, cloaked in mystery and raw power. It emerged from the darkness like a phantom, its presence radiating an aura of untamed energy. The ZR1X was an enigma, a machine shrouded in secrecy, its capabilities unknown, its potential limitless. It was a challenge to the established order, a threat to the ZR1's dominance. The air crackled with anticipation, the tension palpable as the two titans prepared to clash. The ZR1X was more than just a car. It was a symbol of innovation, a testament to the relentless pursuit of performance. It represented the next evolution of the Corvette, a glimpse into the future of automotive engineering. With sharper lines and a presence that demanded attention, the ZR1X was more than a car. It was a force of nature. Its aerodynamic enhancements were more pronounced, its stance more aggressive, its overall design more imposing. The ZR1X exuded an aura of raw power, a sense that it was capable of anything. It was a machine built for one purpose, to dominate the road. Every detail was meticulously crafted to maximize performance, from the massive rear wing to the aggressive front splitter. The ZR1X was a visual masterpiece, a testament to the art of automotive design. It was a car that commanded respect, a machine that inspired awe. Its presence was undeniable, its impact immediate. The two legends faced off under the neon glow, engines rumbling, each daring the other to take the crown. The ZR1, a symbol of refined power and balanced performance, stood its ground against the ZR1X, a machine of untamed aggression and raw potential. The air was thick with anticipation, the silence broken only by the throbbing of their engines. It was a showdown for the ages, a clash of titans that would determine the ultimate street machine. The neon lights reflected off their gleaming surfaces, casting an ethereal glow that accentuated their aggressive lines. Each car represented a different philosophy, a different approach to achieving automotive excellence. The ZR1 embodied precision and control, while the ZR1X embraced raw power and unbridled performance. The ZR1, with its perfect balance and relentless spirit, promised a drive like no other. Its handling was precise and predictable, allowing the driver to push the limits with confidence. The ZR1 was a machine that rewarded skill and finesse, a car that responded to every input with unwavering accuracy. It was a driver's car, a machine that connected the driver to the road in a way that few others could. The ZR1 was a legend in its own right, a symbol of American automotive excellence. It was a car that had earned its place in history, a machine that would continue to inspire generations of enthusiasts. Its legacy was undeniable, its impact immeasurable. The ZR1X, wild and untamed, offered raw power and grip that defied the limits of the street. Its acceleration was brutal, its handling aggressive, its overall performance simply breathtaking. The ZR1X was a machine that demanded respect, a car that would punish any mistake. It was a beast unleashed, a force of nature that could not be tamed. The ZR1X was a symbol of innovation, a testament to the relentless pursuit of performance. It was a car that pushed the boundaries of what was possible, a machine that redefined the limits of automotive engineering. Its potential was limitless, its capabilities unmatched. For the enthusiast, the choice was more than horsepower or speed. It was about the thrill, the connection, the story behind the wheel. It was about the feeling of freedom, the sense of accomplishment, the memories created on the open road. It was about the passion that drove him, the love for cars that burned within his soul. It was about the community of enthusiasts who shared his passion, the camaraderie that transcended borders and cultures. It was about the legacy of the Corvette, the history and heritage that made it more than just a car. It was about the dream of owning the ultimate street machine, the pursuit of automotive perfection. So which legend would you choose to write your own story, the iconic ZR1 or the untamed ZR1X? Would you opt for the refined balance and precision of the ZR1? A car that embodies the classic Corvette spirit? Or would you be drawn to the raw power and unbridled performance of the ZR1X, a machine that represents the future of automotive engineering? The choice is yours, and the possibilities are endless. Each car offers a unique driving experience, a different path to automotive nirvana. The decision is not just about horsepower or handling, it's about personal preference, about the kind of story you want to tell. Drop your pick in the comments below and join the journey, because the road to the ultimate street machine is just getting started. Share your thoughts, your opinions, your passion for cars. Let us know which Corvette resonates with you and why. Engage with the community, connect with fellow enthusiasts, and celebrate the shared love of all things automotive. The conversation is just beginning, and your voice matters. Together we can explore the world of high-performance cars, share our experiences, and inspire others to pursue their automotive dreams. The road ahead is long and winding, but the journey is worth it. Hit follow for more epic car stories and unforgettable showdowns. Stay tuned for in-depth reviews, performance comparisons, and exclusive behind-the-scenes content. We'll be exploring the world of high-performance cars, uncovering the stories behind the machines, and celebrating the passion that drives us all. Don't miss out on the action. Subscribe now, and join the community of car enthusiasts who are shaping the future of automotive culture. The adventure is just beginning, and we want you to be a part of it. Get ready for more thrilling rides, more breathtaking scenery, and more unforgettable moments. The road awaits.